Hello folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Jeep Compass Limited. Beautiful vehicle, stock number 28301T. This is white in color. Does have graphics, the hood graphics, which really sets us off, that white. Black graphics here, going down the side. Very sharp. We've got fog lamps. This is a 4x4, 9-speed automatic transmission with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Got an extra option here, the black pocketed 19-inch rims and tires. Sharp graphics package they've got all the way down the side of it. Push button start, remote start, black leather trimmed interior, Jeep logo in the back seat of it, power driver's seat, power lumbar, 8.4 touchscreen radio, dual temperature control zones. Here's your select terrain for your 4x4 system. Leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Uconnect hands-free, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, heated steering wheel. And this one does come equipped with the panoramic sunroof. Get your 4x4 badging. Now this does have the backup camera, rear wiper, this one does have the spare delete, which gives it the air compressor and a tire sealant. There's a manual passenger seat. Beautiful vehicle. 2018 Jeep Compass Limited 4x4. 4-cylinder. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.